All right, at 6:34, let's turn to the coronavirus this morning. We are tracking some troubling trends. In Texas, we added more than 12,000 new cases yesterday. That's the highest one-day total ever. The state also recorded 230 new deaths, bringing our statewide total to more than 20,000. We're also seeing numbers skyrocket across the country. Here are three other things to know this morning. Because of the latest numbers across Texas, the Houston Federation of Teachers is sounding the alarm. They want HISD to go fully virtual after Thanksgiving break. HISD says it needs guidance from local health leaders to make that decision. All right, number two here, more than 252,000 American lives lost to the virus. On Thursday, the United States reported more than 185,000 new cases, a new daily high, and the daily death toll was more than 2,000 for the first time since May. And number three, a new stay-at-home order in 41 California counties. Starting tomorrow night, the governor issued an overnight curfew limiting movement from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. All right, now to the CDC, who is issuing its strongest advisory yet ahead of Thanksgiving. Stay home and do not travel. But if for some reason you do have to fly during the holidays, both of Houston's big airports have new safety technology in place for international travel. Chris Costa has more on that story.
International travelers, get ready for the future at Houston's two major airports.
The future is touchless.
New technology called simplified arrivals should make the customs process faster and safer. A camera takes a picture of your face and matches it with a federal database of photos you've already given the government, like from passports and visas.
We envision airports of the future where your face will be used from the moment you walk in at ticketing, baggage drop, and TSA lines to the time you board your flight.
Customs and Border Patrol says people will no longer have to scan their fingerprints if they are a returning traveler.
Our officers can focus on travelers' intent rather than on administrative task of handling documents.
Reducing touch points is important to passengers like Austin Armwood.
We were kind of skeptical about coming here.
He's visiting family in Houston.
Especially with the way our world looks today, I definitely think it'll be have more benefits than negatives.
And that was Chris Costa reporting there. Bush expects to see about 800,000 passengers between today and the Monday after Thanksgiving. That's about 50% less than last year, but still more than the CDC would recommend. All right, you can count on us to keep you up to date with everything coronavirus. For more details, just text that keyword FACTS to that number on your screen. You should have it on speed dial 713-526-1111. We'll send a link with more information directly to your phone.